In today's video, let me show you how to create a community group in WhatsApp Business. Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Helper. Let's proceed to the video tutorial. First, open the WhatsApp Business app on your phone. When you're in the app, you'll see different tabs at the bottom. Tap on the one that says Chats, where all your conversations are. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see three dots. Tap on those dots. From the pop-up menu, select New Group. Next, select on who you want to join the group and then select the arrow icon. Now give your group a name. This could be anything you want, but make it relevant to the purpose of your community. For example, if it's for your business, you might name it Business Networking Group. You may enter icon on your group or just keep it. When you're done, just click the arrow icon and the group has been created. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.